Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today video we are going to see how we can install Office 365 version of Office Suite in our Windows laptop. If you are having a proper license assigned to your user account, you can able to download yourself the setup file. So we will see how we can download that. So now I'm going to log into my Office 365 account, portal.office.com. So since I have already logged in, so it is not asking me to authenticate it. So once you logged in, you are having an option on the right side top. You can click on the your profile name, then you will be having an option view account. You can click on the view account, then this view account will take you to the information what you have in the your Office 365 account. So in the left side pane you can see the various options available here, but for now we are going to focus on how to install Office 365 apps, right? So we have to go to the Office apps. So if you go to the Office apps, so if you have the proper license, then only this option will be available. And if you go to this Office apps, right, then you'll be having an option to download and install. So now I have a 64-bit of OS version, so I'm going to download the same 64-bit version. Just click install Office, then it will download the setup file, so which we have to run it. So now the setup file is started downloading. There are other options available which we can verify what license we have, what application we are allowed to use. Those also we can able to verify from this our account information itself. But for this, to keep this video short, I'm just focusing on only this Office 365 apps installation. So now it is getting downloaded. So now it is downloaded. I'm opening the Office setup file. So it is asking me to give the consent, installation administration consent. I have just given the consent. Now it started the installation. So if you see it now in my laptop, I don't have the Excel application installed or any of the application installed. So once I run this Office 365 setup, once this is completed, then we could see that the application started showing. Then once that application is get installed on our laptop, we have one more task to complete, which is we need to activate the Office apps. So the Office apps can be activated with your Office 365 account itself, but the only the prerequisite is you should have the proper licensing. The license, Office 365 license, should have the Office 365 or Microsoft 365 apps should. Okay, so usually this E3, E5 and all comes with this feature, so you can able to download this Office apps, and by using your Office account you can able to activate it. So so for the time being, when it's getting installed, I'm pausing the video. Now you could see that it got completed. So it took around 15 minutes of time to get the installation. So now this our Office 365 Suite is installed. Let's open Excel. So as I said, once the installation is completed, it will ask us to activate it, right? So you can see here the pop-up has come and it asked me to activate this installed version of Office Suite. So as I said, there are two ways. Like if you have the product key, you can enter the product key, or otherwise if you have the proper M365 licensing, by signing in itself it will get it activated. So now I will enter my credential. So since I have a proper licensing, it should get activated. I'm entering the credential. It is asking me to enter the password. So now you can see the device is getting registered with Azure. So because of your activating the M365 apps, so automatically the device will get registered in your Office 365 tenant as Azure registered. So let's wait for this registration to complete. Once this authentication is completed, then we could see we can able to use our Office suite as usual. So let's wait for this to complete. Okay, so now you can see here I'm unable to activate my uh, Office 365 app. That is the reason it is showing unlicensed product. Looks like I have some issue with my licensing. So I need to check further. But see, because of I've been able to activate with my Office 365 account, it is showing that it's showing that the product is unlicensed. So if you are unable to activate it, then you can use only the read-only version. You cannot able to use for editing purpose and all. So you're not able to open the new file also for this matter, right? So that's the reason you have to activate it. So hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any question on this. Thanks for watching this video.